Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So I think we've seen the ABC. Yeah, we only talked about this video, about this movement in the last video, that the primary expectation is to come down lower in the target area into this orange area to find support, possibly where this channel hits the box. And this is also where we came down to. Now the point is that ideally ADA won't go any lower than this. Yeah, so ideally it is holding this 38.8, 38.7 cent support. There was a catalyst why we've seen this dip. The catalyst were some of the earnings of some of the tech stocks. So Amazon lost, for example, 19 to 20% after hours, yeah, post market. I think there may be one more leg down, yeah. And the point is that what we are doing here at the moment, or what we did, it's hard to see really. But this to me is a very strong sell-off, so it could really be a wave 3 within C. But again, if this is a wave 4, it should ideally hold this level. The problem is that the wave 4s on the Ethereum and Bitcoin charts allow for more downside. The ADA chart doesn't really, so it was quite a strong sell-off after, however, a massive pump in the last few days. So ideally we're holding this level. Let's see. That would be not necessarily the expectation, but it is what a market should really do, right? Because if it doesn't, then this is most likely not a wave 4 anymore, and it will threaten this scenario. So we talked about here a wave 1, a wave 2, another 1-2 setup, then the 3, here the 4 and the 5. Now alternatively, I told you in the last video that this here could have already been the wave 5, yeah, because it pushed a bit higher than the previous high. And what we could be doing here is then the green wave 4. Now let's just calculate that for fun and see if it would give us a little bit more space to the downside, because this is still another possibility that we say, okay, we might have a bit more space to the downside, but maybe not. Let's see. Okay, so this scenario, if we put green wave 4 here, would allow us to drop to 38.3 cents. So keep that in mind. If this sort of would be the worst case for the wave 4. Yeah, this would be the worst case for the wave 4. But really that needs to be it. If we drop any lower than that, that will put serious doubt on this bullish scenario. But generally my expectation would be further upside, and that wave 1 wasn't finished yet. Bear in mind, tomorrow PCE data release, that will be interesting. There will be more volatility tomorrow. The good thing is, if we've seen a dip today and some of the maybe negative expectations will already be priced in, then any sort of neutral or slightly positive numbers could be a catalyst for this wave 5 to the upside. So it's really just an additional very short update here today about ADA. A target here to the upside, maybe we can talk about that as well. I would expect it sort of in the region between 43 and 44 cents. They are the fifth wave of 3. Let's see if we get there. And to the downside, should we really lose that 38.3 cent level as well, then I think we will find further support here at the lower support line of the channel. And then the next support would be 35.7 cents. But if we come down to that level, wow, well then basically this whole impulse was, the impulse to the upside was probably not a proper 5-wave move. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.